Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new adventure. Today I am here in the stunning Lake District. I'm going to be here for 4 days, doing a hike every single day. Lake District is one of the most beautiful places in England. It's got amazing lakes, mountains, forests, and I'm just going to be spending 4 days making 4 different videos, just exploring all the different landscapes that can be found here. People do say the Lake District is the best for mountain hikes in England, so I'm really excited to come here and do that for 4 days, and I hope you guys are excited to watch. It is now 10 a.m. and I am beginning my first hike. It's going to be a mountain hike, 4 hours, nothing too big, but we're just dipping our toe in, getting used to Lake District, warming up all the muscles, getting ready for this crazy week of hiking. But this hike is meant to be super beautiful. I'm excited to bring you guys along with me. One issue though, I've barely gone anywhere, and just talking to the camera, holding the camera, I'm already out of breath. So let's see how 4 hours of hiking up a mountain will do. But I am super excited just to be here, surrounded by mountains. There's something very special, and it just gives you shivers just going towards the path. I'm not even on it yet, but already I just feel like, wow, an adventure is coming. Feeling very fortunate to be here. Feeling really excited to show it to you guys. Let's do it. Let's start exploring Lake District. Woohoo! So I am currently just walking through the forest right now. Beautiful big trees. It's just really nice being out in nature, exploring a new place. I think that's really exciting. For me, I really have no idea what Lake District is gonna be like, honestly. And so it's awesome to be here and just start exploring these trails and see what is the environment like, what's the woodlands like, what sort of views am I gonna come across. So guys, the weather took a bit of a turn for the worst, but it seems to be clearing up now. I am not too far from the viewing point, but the trees have fallen away now, and I'm sort of walking on the side of a ridge. You can see the mountains are right beside me. I'm right beside the lake, and every so often I get a pocket with just a beautiful view. It's a really beautiful walk now, and I'm happy that the weather has gotten a bit better. I'm really excited to see what this viewing point's gonna be like, because already it's stunning. Guys, I've went for a bit of a change of plan. I got to it's called the Ashness Bridge. If I said that wrong, it'll pop up here, the right name. I'm really bad with names. But what I realized was that the surprise viewpoint was on a main road, so cars could actually drive right up to the viewpoint and look so super busy. Whereas all around me right now, I am the only one here. And you might be wondering where is here if I'm not going towards the surprise viewing point as planned previously. I'm just going to go to the mountain behind the surprise viewing point and hope that the view is pretty much the same. I think it should even be better because it's higher up. It has started to rain and it's definitely a steep climb, but I'm really enjoying it because I'm in the wild and nature again, away from cars. The higher I hike up, the more beautiful the scenery around me gets. So I'm really loving it. Tell you what, this is a steep climb. As you can see, the view is getting better and better. It is a really just basically straight up. The path is now leveling out. I'm almost at the peak, I think, but I actually hear a waterfall, and so I'm gonna go off trail a little bit and see if I can find it. But this hike is honestly amazing. Very steep, but the views around here are awesome, and it's just me and a sheep. And that's basically it. So I really love it. And you can just sort of enjoy the vastness of nature. No one else around. There's something really beautiful about that. I think I actually see the waterfall here. Alright guys, so I've made it. I hope you can hear me okay. The wind is pretty strong, but I've made it to the top of this mountain. The clouds are actually blowing over this mountain as I'm up here. So the weather's definitely getting worse, but it's really cool. It's really, really cool to be up here. An amazing view. I have just come back down from the mountain. Unfortunately, I can't spend all day hiking. I've got to head back and actually check in, get some supplies for the rest of the week. So it's now 3:45 and I'm gonna be heading back to my hostel. Today was just a bit of a taster of what is to come in Lake District. Honestly, this place is gorgeous, and just with today's walk, I've been blown away. The views, oh man, the views up on that mountain were insane with the clouds rolling over. I think it is clearing up now, the day is clearing, and I'm just heading down, actually to the lake.